Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the mates and the degrees of freedom. In the process of designing models or assembly models in T-Flex CAD, many times it's necessary to specify mutual position of parts, and this may not always accomplished by the conventional technique of fixing a part by a local coordinate system. And due to this, we can apply mates. With this, we can simulate movement and we can fix parts in some position, so it's a very interesting technique. We will start by the end, showing you a couple of examples that exist already inside T-Flex, and then we will create a very simple example to show you how to insert mates to parts. So inside assembly menu, we have a group called the mates, and these two functions. The new is to apply mates to elements, and the move is to simulate movement respecting the mates and the degrees of freedom that the system already has. So if I grab one element, for example this one, I can simulate movement, and all the parts will move because all of them have restrictions and they will move according to what I'm pushing. Okay. Another possibility, another example, move. This is a cylinder, so you see another type of movement, also interesting. And I can push this because it has limits. Another one, also very interesting. Watch this red part sliding in this blue one. So, okay, this is a mate for tangency, also very interesting. And finally, one model that is a screw mechanism. So move, I can slide this guy here. Okay, so it will touch there, or I can push this handle, and you can see even the drag that this has only when it touches. Okay, very nice. So to make mates, if you have a couple of elements, I will create a box. I will expand this a little, and I will create one cylinder. So something like this, and simply go into assembly, new, then you can apply several mates to it. So for example, coincidence, you can say this plan here has a coincidence with this one and apply it. Okay, then when we try to move, so I'll try to move this, but you see both parts are free. So I will go back a little. I will apply again the mate. So plan this and this, and I have this box I want to fix, so I'll click here, and the movement is already restricted to this part. So simply apply, and now I will try to move, and you'll see that the box will move free on the plan that I've defined. Okay, then we can apply, we can continue to apply other mates. It's simply this process. Okay, for example, we can apply a mate of distance, where we say this x until this edge 0. So if I try to move now, let's try to drag it, still possible. I was expecting that it could not be possible, maybe Let us try to do it again. Maybe did not accept. Select axis, this one, select, I will choose the plan now and accept it and move. Okay, and you see it restricts the movement. It restricts the movement until meets this plan. So basically is something like this. We could apply any other mates, is simply a condition that you will continue to apply things on the conditions you want. Let's try to do one more. I want to apply also a distance. We'll try to do another one with this x by this plan, and let's try if he accepted or not. So okay, it is also restricted to this corner now, so I can only move it through this area here. So you can play a little with this. There are many possible examples to work. You can explore with these ideas already, and you can grab these elements that you have already on the standard installation to edit them and to play a little with these concepts. So any help you may need, give us a call. Besides, I forgot to mention that these relations in all the types of mates and the different types of elements, there are many concepts and situations where it is possible and not possible to attach a mate. So it was important, if you can, to watch our theoretical side, because we have a full description with a couple of tables mentioning all the types of mates and all the types of elements. So it's I think it's a valuable information for you to see also, and complementing this video.